Who determines if an order is manifestly unlawful under armed forces law? In recent discussions surrounding military conduct, a pressing question has emerged. Who determines if an order is manifestly unlawful under armed forces law? As conflicts continue around the world, understanding the legal framework guiding military actions is more important than ever. Viewers are likely searching for clarity on this topic, especially in light of recent events. Determining whether an order is manifestly unlawful involves several key actors and principles. Central to this is international humanitarian law, which includes the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict. These laws provide the necessary framework for assessing the legality of military actions. First, soldiers and military personnel play a vital role. They are often expected to refuse orders that are manifestly unlawful. This principle is rooted in the belief that individuals should not carry out actions that clearly violate international law or their own country's laws. For example, in Israel, legal experts have warned that certain orders could be considered manifestly unlawful. Soldiers may face criminal liability for following them. Next, military command and leadership are crucial in this process. Commanders have a responsibility to ensure that their orders are lawful. They must carefully consider principles such as distinction, proportionality, and necessity when issuing orders. If an order violates these principles, it could be deemed manifestly unlawful. Additionally, courts and legal tribunals play an essential role in reviewing military decisions and actions. They assess whether orders were lawful and, if military actions complied with international law. Recently, the European Court of Human Rights has ruled on cases involving Russia's actions in Ukraine. This highlights the ongoing scrutiny of military conduct and the potential for legal consequences. International bodies also contribute to determining the legality of military actions. Organizations like the International Criminal Court and the United Nations investigate and prosecute individuals for war crimes and other serious violations of international law. Their involvement underscores the global commitment to uphold humanitarian standards. In practice, determining manifest unlawfulness often requires assessing whether an order violates fundamental principles of international humanitarian law. This includes the protection of civilians and the prohibition of indiscriminate attacks. Legal experts, military leaders, and courts all play a part in this process, ensuring military actions align with international legal standards. With ongoing conflicts, understanding these dynamics is essential for accountability and justice in military operations.